Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can verify age on Roblox mobile. Well, it is quite easy. All you have to do is simply open the Roblox application, and after opening the application you have to make sure that you are logged into your account. Just like this, here you can see I am currently logged into my account, and now in order to verify, here you'll have to tap on this more option that you can see right here. After doing that, here scroll down and you can see the option of settings. Tap on settings, and then you can see the option of account info. Tap on account info, and from here, if you scroll down a bit, here you can see there is the option of check your age to get more features. So all you have to do is simply tap on continue with selfie or continue with ID. If you do continue with selfie, you'll have to verify yourself by showing your face, or if you tap on continue with ID, you can verify by using your ID card. So for now, I'm going to tap on continue with selfie. So after doing that, here tap on continue. And now tap on continue one more time. And then you'll have to tap on allow in order to get the camera access. And then again, tap on allow. So after doing that, your camera will be opened. Just like this, your camera will be open, and all you have to do is simply tap on take photo. So after doing that, here you'll have to move your head slightly to left, just like this. And now you'll have to move your head slightly to right. So after doing that, all you have to do is simply tap on take a photo, and then just like this, here you can see Roblox will estimate your age. Here you can see this is my age range that Roblox has given to me. Or if you still want to verify your ID, you can tap on continue with ID one more time, or you can simply tap on OK. And just like this, here you can see I have now successfully verified my age, and now I can use many more features like chat box in Roblox. So from here, if I go back to my account, so after getting back to our account settings, here you can see this is my age group and it has already been checked. And here you can also see the option of use an ID to verify your birthday. So if you also want to verify your birthday, here you'll have to use your ID. So you can tap on continue, and like that you'll be able to verify your ID, and like that you will be able to verify your birthday. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.